What's up YouTube? This is Pancho Cuts. I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to do a height taper. I'm going to start by hitting my trimmer at the corner of his lineup to the top of his ear. When doing this, make it nice and even and cut everything, sideburns, etc. to make the whole cut even cleaner. Now grab your shavers and bald it out. I'm grabbing my Magic Clips open lever with no guard. I'm going up a half an inch. Now with the number 1, I'm going up another half an inch. Now with the number 1 guard closed, I'm gonna work my way up and slowly opening it so it can fade. Now I'm gonna use the number 1, the 1/16 guard to take out that little bulk, not little bulk, but that harsh line. And slowly making my way to the top. Making sure I hit it with the corners for the lines I can't fade. Now with no guard, lever closed, I'm slowly going my way to the top by opening the lever. Take out that bald line. Now with the number 2 guard, I'm gonna use it closed just to take off a little bit bulk, so I can pass it with the 1.5 guard. And we're going up about a 1/4 inch. Now with the 1.5. We're gonna use it closed and slowly go up, slowly open it when we're going up with the fade. Take out that line. Make sure you're doing this in like a C formation. Now with the number 4, we're going to take off some bulk on the top, but not too much, so it gives it that fuller look. Now with the number 2, we're going to close it and slowly open it when we're going up. But don't go up too high because we're going to use the number 3 guard. Now with the number 3 guard closed, we're going to fade to where 2 and to 4 meets. Same procedure, closing it and slowly opening it when we're going up. Now with my thin shears, I'm going to do a clipper over shear technique to blend it even more. Now I'm just lining up the back, making it even, not pushing it back, taking out little baby hairs. Make sure to pull the ear when you're lining up the back of the ear. Now with the trimmer, start making the bald outline in the back, go up like an inch. Make it smooth so it's easier for the shavers to make it bald. Now with the shavers, just making it bald. Now, no guard, lever open, we're going up a 1/4 inch. Now, no guard, lever closed, we're slowly going up, so we're fading it from the bottom. Now with the number 1 guard open, we're going up another 1/4 inch. Now with the 1/16, we're going to go close it, and when we're going up, we're slowly opening it little by little. Hitting it with the corners, making sure there's no hard line or harsh line anywhere. Now with the number 1 closed, we're just taking out that little harsh line. Now with the number 2 guard, we're gonna go up at least a 1/4 inch, not too high, just to help me use the 1.5 guard easier. Now with the 1.5 guard, we're using it closed and we're slowly opening it while we're going up, not too high. guard, we're just gonna flick out. Now with the shears, the thin shears, we're just gonna just thin it out so it can just blend. Now with the 1.5, we're gonna cut off his little bangs so I can line them up. Now we're gonna use spritz, or you can use any holding spray or hairspray. It's just to lock it in place. And now I'm gonna line them up with my wall detailers. Now I'm using my Elegant Shave Gel. Using it where I'm gonna use the razor so I don't cause irritation or cut him. Now, not applying too much pressure on the razor, but it's gonna glide itself with the shaving gel, but just to make the edges sharper. Pull wherever you're using the razor. It helps it not cut the client. Now pull the ear. We're gonna make the back end sharper, like the back edge. That's the cut, YouTube. If you like the cut, comment, like this video, subscribe, and put in the comment section below what kind of tutorial you're gonna want next. This is Pancho Cuts, and I'm out.